It's up to President Obama now. Governor Scott requesting the White House declare a federal emergency because of the algae crisis on the Treasure Coast. And Scott's blasting the federal government, saying it ignored repairs to the dike around Lake Okeechobee.
So what does the request mean for people impacted by the algae blooms? News Channel 5's Megan McRoberts joins us live in Rio with the answer. Megan?
And if President Obama will declare a federal emergency, what that could do is help bring more federal money our way to help with this toxic algae crisis and support projects that could support public health and safety. It could also mean financial help for people and businesses on the Treasure Coast suffering a financial hardship. Governor Rick Scott wrote that algae blooms are causing havoc to our environment. And in his letter to President Obama, he asked him to, quote, use the full resources of the federal government to address the effects caused by the frequent discharges of water from Lake Okeechobee. Senator Marco Rubio has been pushing with other Florida lawmakers for that help.
What it will help do is draw down federal dollars to help businesses and residents who have been economically impacted by this event. There's not a lot of easy, immediate answers other than to get as much aid and assistance to people as we possibly can.
Possible financial lifeline could offer hope to many here, like Robert Harvey.
Everybody wants to talk about it. Not that I have to talk about it. Yes, somebody's got something to say about it.
Harvey owns the Fraser Creek Barbershop in Stewart. Because fewer people are visiting the area now, he says he could lose about 15% of his business.
The water's bad. People aren't going to come here. They're not going to buy houses, and they're not going to visit and vacation.
Meaning fewer people to sit in one of his chairs.
Alrighty.
He's still bringing in money, but glad to know he might have another source for help if business keeps taking a turn for the worse. Now, Rubio also said today that he will be asking the Centers for Disease Control to evaluate the health risks of this algae. And tonight we are still waiting a response from the president's office about what, if any, actions they plan to take as a result of the governor's request. Reporting live in Rio, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.